Good morning, everybody. Welcome in HTML class. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It's play a vital role for developing a web page. Basically, we are living in the age of electronics. So, the World Wide Web play a major role for bringing information, image, advertising, and many more on your desktop. It is a very exciting new medium for communication. Everything that you see on the web is written in a special language called hypertext markup language. This language tells the browser like Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox how to display the text, picture and link on the screen. It is the very necessary to know what is the capability and how to use. First of all, HTML is a web page layout language and also specify hyperlinks, so it is the markup language. Number of times we say is word processing tool. No, not at all. HTML not a word processing tool and not a programming language. This is the markup language. Markup in the sense how to set your content on the at the time of designing of your web page. So you can say it is just a page layout and hyperlink specification language. This language developed by the Tim Berners-Lee in late 90s. The first version come in 1991 and the latest version HTML5 come 2012, and this is the current approved standard language. The main purpose of development of HTML for make internet communication effective. So HTML made up with element or tag in the sense attributes and its name. In a simple way, you can say a tag is a command, HTML command that indicates how part of web page should be displayed. An attribute, it is the additional property. It is a special word used inside the tag to specify additional information of the tag. So first we know the structure of HTML. Now see the structure of your HTML. This is the complete structure. Are you seeing in your screen? And also I give sub blocks. So first of all, we discuss about this structure. First tag is the HTML tag. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document. That means this tag, that means HTML tag tell the browser this is the HTML document, and this document begin with HTML and InVist HTML. InVist HTML. So this is the complete structure you seen on your screen. Second is the head. It contains information about the document, include the title, script used, style definition, and document description. And this tag comes after the first HTML tag. You can provide the header information. Inside the header tag, the title tag will appear. You see in your screen. It specifies the title of your page, and this appears on the web browser's title bar. It will be visually clear to you when you start doing examples. अगर आप देखोगे तो उसे आपको साफ पता चल जाएगा. With the help of this example. Now, second part is the, after that, body part. And the body tag enclosed all tags, attribute and information to be displayed in the web page. And it comes after the closing head tag. You seen in this image. This is the body. So this is the structure of HTML document. One thing is the necessary how to create HTML document. So first of all, you can use the any text editor. Any text editor like Notepad, WordPad. But Notepad is the most popular for creating a HTML document. Some people like Front Page Express. To make a web page, but I prefer Notepad because it is very easy to create with the help of Notepad. Firstly, open Notepad and in a Notepad window you can write all tags, save it. And one thing is the most interesting is that when you save your file, you also put name जो आप दोगे .html. This is the necessary. यहाँ पर आपको ये देना जरूरी है. अदरवाइज नोटपैड क्या करेगा कि आपके फाइल को टेक्स्ट फाइल में बदल देगा. टेक्स्ट फाइल कहने का मतलब हो गया कि उसका एक्सटेंशन .txt हो जाएगा. तब वहाँ पर आपको प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकता है. तो इससे बचने के लिए आपको क्या करना है कि आपने, और जैसे आप HTML टैग लगाओगे आप देखोगे जहाँ पर भी आपने उसे सेव किया जिस लोकेशन पर, जनरली आप चाहो तो डेस्कटॉप पर सेव कर सकते हो, तो आप देखोगे कि वहाँ पर जिस भी वेब ब्राउज़र का आप यूज़ कर रहे हो उस वेब ब्राउज़र के आइकॉन के साथ आपके सामने अपीयर हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर आपके सिस्टम में इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर है तो आप देखोगे कि वहाँ पर इस तरीके से, और आपने जो भी नेम दिया है ये आइकन आपके सामने में अपीयर हो जाएगा. तो इससे ही आपको पता चल जाता है कि हमारा जो पेज जो हमने नोटपैड पर बनाया था वो वेब पेज तैयार हो चुका है और आप उसे देखने के लिए रेडी हो. जैसे आप उसे क्लिक करोगे वो आपके सामने में आ जाएगा। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि इस वीडियो में आपको HTML क्या है, हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, उसका मेन पर्पस क्या है और उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, इस चीज़ को आप समझ गए होंगे। वीडियो के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए थैंक्स। We are discussing some topics in our next video. Thank you.